Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about foods that stop hair fall. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and biotin, both of which promote hair strength. In fact, protein is like the building block of your hair. 2. Carrots. They are not just meant for your eyes, but also are the perfect source of vitamin A your hair needs. 3. Oats. Have a high concentration of essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and omega-6 fatty acids. These are often referred to as polyunsaturated fatty acids and are essential to maintain skin as well as hair health. 4. Spinach. Rich in vitamins and nutrients like folate, iron, vitamin A and vitamin C, all of which are essential for hair growth. 5. Berries. Berries are loaded with beneficial compounds and vitamins that may support hair growth. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this channel.